name is Chris Isaacs. I'm the eldest of the Isaacs entourage. In terms of advice, I guess I have a lot to say, but I'm going to keep it short. I've been married for 21 years. You know, you just have to like show each other, just respect each other. Don't overlook each other's boundaries. You know, just keep it simple while at the same time giving love to each other. All right. Be very attentive to each other because what one says, the other one interprets it differently. You have to be very conscious of what each other you say to each other. All right. And also remember that your wife is always right. So with that, I'll just leave it like that, and I wish you all the best, all right?